Hello everyone, this is Charles Bridgetech with another flashlight review, this time on a Thorfire TK18. Now I was sent this directly from Thorfire, and they have an Amazon store. Comes in this box, so let's wait no further and open this up, see what's in. Now I've tested and reviewed many Thorfire products, and I'm always happy to see more come my way. Comes with this user manual. Try to get the specs here for you. And if you want to pause your screen, you can go ahead and do so. Okay, so we'll move on here. Comes with an extra set of O-rings, and let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Wow, this is really nice. I'm really liking this knurling. That is really nice. Finish on this is outstanding. Heavy duty clip on there. Look at the knurling on that. That is really nice. Button's almost flush, but it does stick out enough where you can find it. Man, that is really nice. I like that style knurling. And it is rough, so you've got some good grip area. It's got the tail switch to turn that on. Now this is running the Cree XPL2 LED. It's got that textured reflector there. Steel bezel on there. Looking really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. I'll show you what I'm running in it. And there's the spring there for you. Well greased threads. And we'll show you the head of the light here. Spring there as well. Well greased on the threads. Put it back together. And I'm running the eFest 2000 milliamp. This is an unprotected cell. Been having really good luck with them. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this back together. Let's see how the UI does. Alright, so let's go ahead and we're going to turn it on. Starts off on low there. And it does have the green indicator light there. Lets you know the battery power is good. And this will change to red when you get to 50%. And it will start to blink red when it recommends you charge the battery. Okay. We're going to go through the user outputs. And you're going to press and hold this. It's got the nice infinite level outputs, which I'm really liking on the BLF that Thorfire made. They've actually implemented that on their new lights, which is just amazing. So you have that variable infinite level output. So once you've reached the highest output, you press and hold this. Once you get your desired level, go all the way down to the lowest setting. That's just amazing. So we'll turn it up, say like you feel comfortable with this light output, you leave it there. And you can keep going up, which is nice. Once you get to the max, it'll blink. Now you can go downward. So that's kind of a nice feature where it doesn't automatically go back down, up and down. This way it will keep going down and then keep going up when you want it to get brighter while it's going up through the ramping. Now when you go down, get to the light output that you want. Now to me this has more of a 5000K color temp, so that's kind of nice. And that's a really bright, incredible. And then you go ahead and press and hold that. And we'll turn it all the way back down. So when we do the night shots, it'll be on low. That's on low. Turn it off. Real simple. So now to get the special mode, which is a bike mode, you're going to triple click it. That gives you the pulsing bike mode. Now, once you've reached that light mode, you actually can change it to the actual mode outputs where it'll be stepping should you want that light output. Okay, so now once you've done that, now you can go ahead and you're right back out to the ramping feature. So like the BLF Q8, I like the ramping feature of the light outputs, so I'm going to leave it on this. You can program it to do the step light outputs like I showed you previously. And it's easy as that. So let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Thorfire TK18. Now this is the new line of Thorfire lights. I'm really liking what they've done on the body of the light. So let's go ahead and check out the performance of the light. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. Now this is on faintly, believe it or not, as you can see. And you can see about 7, maybe 10 feet at the most. And that's very faint after that. Can't even see it really on the water spout at all. Okay, so we're going to go to the next level. And now I'm going to go ahead with the infinite level adjustment. I'm just going to hold it in and go up gradually through it, even though I can show you here later on in the video the light outputs going up and down. In the meantime, we'll just show you the lower outputs so you can see. Very nice. Okay, so we're going to go up another step here. A little bit more brighter there for you. We'll go back over here to the tree line. Spot is really nice floody beam on this as well. Okay, so we're going to go up to the next level. And I'll raise it up a little bit more there for you. Very nice spill on this now. You can see very usable spill you usually see in front of you. Nice warm temperature. 5000K. Not super warm, but it's definitely nice, neutral. Okay, and we're going to raise it up, and we're going to go all the way up until it flashes. There we go. Look at that. From this little thing right here. Looking really good too. And it is faintly making it across the park. And this is a real floody beam to be able to make it that far. There's the 60 feet there. Look at that. I'm gonna hold there's the spot right in the middle. Look at the coverage area on that spill. That's amazing. Very nice. I'm gonna pan around here a little bit. You guys can see Tree of Life. Look at the beam. I'll put the beam spot on the Tree of Life. Look at how much spill that is. Such a small light. Very nice. Wow, this is doing really good, making the bleachers out there. And it is faintly making those other trees out in the distance. And we'll come back over here. We're going to go up and down through the levels here so you guys can see it. I'm going to lower it slowly, as you can see. And believe it or not, that is on. So now I'm going to raise it back up slowly for you guys. And that's on high. Hats off to Thorfire. I love this infinite level light output adjustments. Very nice. All right. Well, we'll go ahead and fade away. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This is an outstanding light. I'm loving the ramping feature. I'm loving the new style and design on this. Definitely an improvement. I'm really liking it. I want to take my hats off to Thorfire. An excellent quality performing light as well. It's got a lot of light output that this thing can generate, and it does it with ease. I just want to thank Thorfire again for sending me this to review. I highly recommend this light. This is really built well, and they're not expensive at all. Very affordable. Only thing you have to do is buy a nice quality battery, and you're good to go. So, again, you can get these on their Amazon store. They have provided me a special discount code, and look up right up on that screen right about there. And that'll help you save some money should you be interested in this Thorfire. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.